Welcome students, welcome to your physical education class. Today we'll be discussing about a topic sports participation of women in India. That's what I have written. Sports participation of women in India. Means we'll be discussing today what is the real condition, what is the reason, how much, why there is less participation of women in sports in India, why it was earlier and now what is the real condition. ठीक है जी? So first will be discussing about ancient time before Christ BC. Means there used to be Olympics held every year after 4 years in Greece, but women were not allowed to participate in that. Even participate, they were not even allowed to watch those games. So the condition was so petty. ठीक है जी? Means women were not even allowed to participate, not even, we can say they were not allowed to watch those games. ठीक है जी? So many years it has gone. Once there was a small story that once a lady went to see his son participating. What she did कि उन्हें एक सिर पे पगड़ी टाइप बन लिया, and she went inside that stadium where they were hosting that Olympic games, and her son was very very good athlete, and he won all the races. When she saw that her son has won that competition, she felt excited and she got up from her seat. And what happened कि ਉਹਦੇ ਉਹ ਵਾਲ ਖੁੱਲ ਗਏ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਨਾ ਜਾਂ ਪੱਗ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਬੰਨੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਖੁੱਲ ਗਿਆ, ਜੋ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਬੰਨਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਲ ਖੁੱਲ ਗਏ. And people came to know that she is a woman, she is man नहीं है. What they did, she was called in front of that dais where her son was being facilitated. कि ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ olive leaves ਪਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਾਂਸੀ ਦੀ ਸਜ਼ਾ ਸੁਣਾਈ ਗਈ ਕਿ she has broken the rule. ਇਹ law ਤੋੜਿਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ. So this was the condition. In many countries also this condition of women of this participation is very bad. Like when Gulf countries like Middle East, you talk about Afghanistan, you talk about Iran, Iraq. So in these countries still women are not allowed to participate in games and sports. But last few Olympics have seen the girls from Afghanistan, they participated in Olympics and they were very tough. They reached finals also. Final race तक भी पहुंच गए. Means they are having very good capacity. ठीक है जी? Very good strength they are having. But still there is very 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 less participation of women in these Middle East countries. ठीक है जी? But condition is not there in bad in many countries like European countries, American countries. Even they are getting full participation. Any girl or girl child can participate in any of the game or sport. ठीक है जी? This is another thing. Now we'll talk about, we were talking about ancient Olympics, then we'll talk about modern Olympics. First modern Olympics were held in 1896 at Greece, Athens ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Same Baron Pere de Coubertin who is known as father of Olympics. He started this modern Olympics. Full initiative goes to him only. In that Olympics also women were not allowed to participate, though it was a modern era. But he said कि women, he gave different theories about women. He said that women are not good to run in the fields. They are good to only cook the food. They are not supposed to run in knickers, shorts. ठीक है जी? That doesn't look nice. But in 1900 Olympics, Paris Olympics, women participated. ठीक है जी? So that was a start for women participation in Olympics. ठीक है जी? Now we'll come to topic which we are going to discuss is sports participation of women in India. Now these days, so many girls are coming up like Sania Nehwal, Sania Mirza was there, PV Sindhu. Now condition is improving, but still India, there are many states, backward areas are there where women are not considered to for fit for playing and all that. We'll talk about that gymnast अपनी ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੈਡਲ ਆ ਕਾਮਨਵੈਲਥ ਗੇਮਸ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, she went to Olympics and she stood fourth, ठीक है जी, so she was from Assam, ठीक है. So there are many names written in your book, वो girls are Karnam Malleshwari, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, देखो जी अपना MC Mergam, Sakshi Malik, ठीक है, those ਰੈਸਲਿੰਗ ਸਿਸਟਰਸ, ਦੇਖੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੇਮ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਦੰਗਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਫੋਗਾਟ ਸਿਸਟਰਸ. Still in Haryana also it was they were not allowing girls to participate, but her father did a very good job. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕੀਤੀ. You might have seen ਦੰਗਲ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, you might have seen ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ, ਕਿ ਹਾਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭ ਰਹੇ. But many cities in this India, many states are there in India ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਛੜੇ ਹੋਏ. Still we are they considered it a backward places. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ girls are not even allowed to come out of their houses. They are not allowed to go to schools. ਜੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਪੜੂ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਗੇਮਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ. But if the person is not going to school, ਉਹ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ. ਉਵੇਂ ਦੇ अर्ਲੀ ਚਾਈਲਡ ਮੈਰਿਜ, ਰਾਜਸਥਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ अर्ਲੀ ਚਾਈਲਡ ਮੈਰਿਜ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੀਗਾ ਰਿਵਾਜ. ਯੂ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਯੂਪੀ, ਯੂ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਬਿਹਾਰ, ਯੂ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਵੈਸਟ ਬੰਗਾਲ, ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਆਹ ਦਿੰਦੇ, ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਲੜਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਇਵਨ 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਮੇਨ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਇਫ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਨਾਟ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ. ਸੋ ਗੇਮ ਪਾਰਟੀਸਪੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So there are many names written or they at different level, but I'm not I'll discuss about Punjab also. There is a different condition in Punjab. Punjab ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਰੋਕ ਟੋਕ ਨਹੀਂ. ਇੱਥੇ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਗਰਲਸ ਦੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਕੰਮ 'ਚੋਂ, ਕਿ they are going to schools also, maximum girls they are going for participation. ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ women festivals ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. women festival means girl, ਕੱਲੇ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਹੀ women festival, ਬਲਕਿ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਹੀ ਗਰਲਸ ਦੀ. So this condition of girls, women are good in Punjab, very good, but still it has to be improved. Good facilities are to be given. So many reasons are given in next topic, so in which we can say that reasons are being given for less participation. This was the introductory part. So I'll be discussing about reasons. ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਰੀਜ਼ਨਸ. So this is the main topic, reason for less participation of women in sports. There are 12 points given in your book. This is the last topic. There are 12 points written in your book. So we'll be discussing each and every. You might have studied about, you might have seen that film also of Mary Kom. Priyanka Chopra acted as Mary Kom. ठीक है, देखो ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਸਟਰਗਲ ਆ ਉਸਦੀ, ਗਰੀਬ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਟ੍ਰਾਈਬਲ ਏਰੀਆ 'ਚ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚਲੀ ਗਈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਮੈਨੀ ਗਰਲਸ ਆਰ ਦੇਅਰ ਜਿਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਲੜਕੀ ਦਾ ਮੈਡਲ ਆਇਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਜੂਨੀਅਰ ਵਰਲਡ ਚੈਂਪੀਅਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ, ਨੇਮਸ ਕੈਪਟ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ ਮਾਈ ਮਾਈਂਡ. ਸੋ ਯੂ ਮਾਈਟ ਹੈਵ ਸੀਨ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਛੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਦੀ ਬੇਟੀ, ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਡਾਟਰ ਆਫ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਸਮਾਲ ਫਾਰਮਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ this is the real condition of women participation. So let us discuss about reason of less participation of women in sports. First is lack of financial aid by government. This is the true fact कि there are sponsors for women team. You might have seen in Chak De India also, they have shown it कि there are sponsors for women team, but there are no sponsors for women team. Now in cricket and all that, there are few sponsors. ठीक है, but less financial aid by government also. They are not giving that much of. We will be discussing this thing. Though condition is improving day by day in India, but still there is a lack of financial aid for women participation, for women scholarship and all that in India. Next is negative attitude of society toward women participation. That is the best point we can say. कि this is the most important point कि negative कि कुड़ियाँ क्यों खेडन, कुड़ियाँ दा काम है रोटी पकाना, कुड़ियाँ दा काम है सिर्फ घरे रहना, no, बच्चे पालना, no. The thing is we have to clear that thought. ये लोगों के मन चो जो ये चीज़ां आउणगियां, so you might have seen in Dangal also, Fogart sisters दे फादर ने की कीता, उन्होंने दुनिया की सोच बदली है. What she did, उन्होंने आख्या I will change this thought. ये तो कुड़ियां तो बहुत अगे जा सकदियां, कुड़ियां रेसलिंग क्यों नहीं कर सकदी. He competed both daughters, three daughters with men in dangals. पिंडां में ज़्यादा दंगल कराउंदे सी. Next is social customs and rights. Many cities, many states are there जिन्हां दे विच customs and traditions ने. early child marriage दा, पढ़ाउण दा नहीं, मतलब कि पढ़ाउणी नहीं कुड़ी दा, only she is been trained for cooking. ठीक है जी, हुण खाना वगैरह चंगा सिखा दिंदे आ कि यह किवें पकाउणा है. These types of things are going on, but they are not supposed to. There are custom and traditions which don't allow them to go to schools. So people are not literate. जो पढ़े लिखे होणगे नहीं, वो जनरेशन किवें चेंज होगी. जे सपोज सारियां लेडीज पढ़ जाण, वो अपने बच्चे नहीं पढ़ा सकती. ठीक है, दे कैन मोटिवेट. नाउ तो बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. लो हेल्थ कॉन्शियसनेस, and it is also main cause of less participation of women. Girls are not conscious about their health. Girls begin to less active in sports than boys. Girls are not physically stronger than boys. Sometimes it's a bookish language, we can say the low health consciousness. Girls are also more health conscious now, but they eat less. Sports need lot of diet. बहुत ज़्यादा डाइट चाहिए ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ for to compete in this world. पर जे तुसी ये compete नहीं, एनर्जी नहीं होगी, you won't be able to compete. Next is media coverage. This is the truth. Media coverage is less in women sports. ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਗਰਲਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਬੱਡੀ ਟੀਮਸ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖੋ ਤੇ ਕਬੱਡੀ ਮੈਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਰਹੇ, ਕਰੋੜ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 5-5 ਕਰੋੜ 2-2 ਕਰੋੜ, ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੋੜ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ, ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ. ਬਟ ਦ ਥਿੰਗ ਇਜ਼ ਕਿ ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਲੈਸ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਕਵਰੇਜ. ਆ PV ਸਿੰਧੂ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਚ ਆਉਣ ਲੱਗੇ, ਸਾਇਨਾ ਨੇਹਵਾਲ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਨੈਵਰ ਸੀਨ ਐਨੀ ਗਰਲਸ ਮੈਚ. ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਗਰਲਸ ਦੇ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਮੈਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਕਿਤੇ. ਸੋ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਕਵਰੇਜ ਇਜ਼ ਵੈਰੀ ਲੈਸ. Now तो these days the media is covering like anything. Media हो ही बहुत गया क्योंकि चैनल ही बहुत आ गई. Though they are covering women also, but there was less coverage. Lack of incentives and career. So there is less participation of women in sports. There is lack of incentives also. Means girls are not getting that much opportunity also, that much money also. Now if people win these medals, they are getting. ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਲੜਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਨੇ ਹੀ ਪੈਸੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ has announced if women wins the medal Olympic gold, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ 5 ਕਰੋੜ ਜਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ, ਤੇ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੀਆਂ. ਸੋ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸ਼ੂਟਿੰਗ ਆਰਚਰੀ 'ਚ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਲੜਕੀਆਂ, ਦੀਪਿਕਾ ਕੁਮਾਰੀ ਐਂਡ ਆਲ ਦੈਟ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. So these are the examples we can give. So there are less incentives, but now these incentives are more there, but you have to write the answer also. Lack of sponsorship, interest and spectators and media coverage. This thing is true. You can see that very less coverage is there for Indian women cricket or cricket, Indian women cricket we can say, not Indian women cricket. World Cup ਹੋਇਆ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜੇ, ਜਾਂ World Cup ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਚਸ ਹੋਇਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਖੇ. People don't go and see these matches. Only men games are only watched. Lack of education. I told you earlier also. Next point, कि if the lady is illiterate, ਜੇ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਲੇਡੀ ਪੜ੍ਹੀ ਲਿਖੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਈ, ਉਹ ਅਗਲੀ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ. ਹੁਣ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ 'ਚ ਵਗੈਰਾ 'ਚ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਲਾ ਰਿਹਾ. ਮਾਵਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾਓ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਹਜੇ ਵੀ ਰੋਕਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। So some of the misconceptions prevailing in society is boys and women are becoming weak participating in most of sports. These misconceptions are not related to any fact. Due to lack of education, women also start to think on the same line, and that is why participation become limited in sports. So lack of education is a very important point कि जे लड़की पढ़ी लिखी होगी तो मोटिवेट कर सकती है। नेक्स्ट इज लेस नंबर ऑफ वुमेन कोचेस। देयर आर लेस नंबर ऑफ वुमेन कोचेस इन इंडिया। सो पीपल समटाइम्स they don't feel like good to send their girls with male coaches, ठीक है जी। so they want that girls women coaches, so there is a less women coaches, so that more coaches should be there, female coaches, so that they should give training to more girls. Lack of personal safety. Law and order has also remained a problem in India. Roads are not safe, women in nights. Most of the sports facilities in India are out of city. Due to social pressure, parents are not willing to send their daughter unattended for far off places. कई बार वो कह देंगे हैं कि parents are interested नाल जाते हैं, but sometimes they are not interested in sending their girls to other places. वो कहते नहीं असी नहीं भेजनी, they are not participating at national level, the state level, ठीक है। रोज प्रैक्टिस जाना पैंदा ना, तो पंजाब तो each and every district is having stadium, ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲਾਸ ਉੱਥੇ ਡੀਪੀ ਟੀਚਰ ਹੈ, ਪੀਟੀਆਈ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਆ, ਦੇ ਆਰ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਗਰਲਸ। ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਂਦਰ ਜਟਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਰਲਸ ਆਰ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟਿੰਗ, ਆਪਣੀ ਟੀਮ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿਨਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ। Next is lack of proper access of facilities. In India, we often complain about lack of financial grants and financial facilities for development of sports infrastructure. The truth is, whether little is provided by government agencies and sponsors, it's a big part of giving training to coaches of male. The female do not have adequate sports facility. They say that ki male coaches are given preference instead of coaches है भी बहुत घट, मीनस वुमेन कोचेस बहुत घट है, मतलब कि इंडिया च भी बहुत घट है इन्हें इस वगैरह करते हैं जो कोचेस लिए ट्रेनिंग का एक हैगा। लैक ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर। Lack of sports culture in schools also, it's a big plays a very important role. If your DP or sports teacher is very active, he could give equal opportunity to every child. You should participate in games and sports and all that. So he should, देखो तो मैं दसे ना अपने पिंडा ਜਾਂ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਕਬੱਡੀ ਚ, ਰੈਸਲਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਰੈਸਲਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਆਪਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਰੈਸਲਿੰਗ ਚ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ, ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵੀ ਚੰਗੇ ਆ, ਅਖਾੜੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੇ ਆ। ਐਥਲੈਟਿਕ ਚ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਦਸ਼ਮੇਸ਼ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਦੋਜ਼ ਹੈਵ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟਡ ਐਟ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲਸ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਕੋਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਨੇ, ਗੈਰੀ ਸੰਧੂ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਵਾਲੀਬਾਲ ਚ ਪਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਵਾਂਦਰ ਜਟਾਣੇ ਤੋਂ, ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਟੀਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਵਾਲੀਬਾਲ ਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚ। ਸੋ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੈਟ, ਬਟ ਇਨ ਮੈਨੀ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਦ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਆਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਲੈਕ ਆਫ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਕਲਚਰ ਇਜ਼ ਦੇयर। But now in handball also, in every game you can see that facilities are given. Okay? So this was the last topic of your syllabus. So go through it well. So this was sports participation of women in India, introductory part, and reason of less participation of women in sports in India. So this was your syllabus for +1 finals. Okay? So study well. All the best.